So it was Tesla, and kind of treating the bounce in the first quarter as a dead cat. I first began to short Tesla when I saw it trading near the 20-day moving exponential moving average. So this is the purple line. And I was thinking, oh, look, it's bouncing into moving average resistance. I should short it. So I shorted it, and it did not work. I got stopped out immediately. And so I told myself, okay, probably it has, the market has more to go before it finds resistance and everything will roll over again. And so I watched Tesla trade higher and higher and higher, and I saw it trade near this kind of mini left side peak. And I thought, oh, double top short sell. Let me short again. And this time I doubled up in terms of my risk. And then I got stopped again. And so I got very frustrated. And I guess this frustration kind of carried on from, being so beat up in 2022 that I began to look intraday on a 5-minute chart. And I was basically full port risking my account, shorting this consolidation, thinking that every pump, pump higher would get rejected. And this was a very, very, very bad time because I was obviously over trading. I was revenge trading. I was on tilt, and I was kind of trying to time every single take on that 5-minute chart. And it was very, very bad. Before I knew it, whatever money I had left, I drew down 60 to 70%. And so, when I finally gave up on shorting, I took a break. I distinctly remember sitting at the condo pool, kind of really out of it, and I couldn't bear to tell my wife that I was down. I drew the account down by 60 to 70%. And at that point in time, so I had graduated, I was working in a job, and I had thoughts of giving up, and I didn't know how I was going to recover from that drawdown.
I think a lot of people can relate to this, so this is good.
So yeah, it was a very dark period. I still remember it very vividly. My wife she kind of knew that, something was wrong. And she asked me that day, like, are you okay? But I couldn't bear to tell her that, I had hit such a big drawdown, just kind of revenge trading and being on tilt.